I would like to know about what should be the penalty and the charges that could be imposed on Haris Rauf on his act because he wants to slap on the opponent. What could be the penalty and charges that could be imposed on him?
On Haris Rauf, right?
Hello?
Gee, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. Okay. So I did watch the video that was provided to me of Haris Rauf allegedly, and I would like to start off. Generally speaking, her state की अपनी laws होती हैं, but generally speaking, the laws regarding assault and battery, which is going to be the subject at hand, they're generally the same. So first and foremost, I would like to start with what is an assault. Assault could be a misdemeanor, and what is a misdemeanor? A misdemeanor is something that could be punishable to a maximum 1 year in jail, or you would have to pay a fine, do community service, or probation. So 1 year community service or probation, that's an assault. Now the question
is, you are saying 1 year of prison of 1 year could be imposed on him?
Yes, if he is found guilty of committing an assault, the judge could maximum sentence him to 1 year in jail. Maximum. There is discretion.
And how much amount could be penalized on him? Either only the prison or the or any type of amount charges could be imposed on him?
Yeah, so it's not necessarily he would automatically go to prison. It would be up to the judge. It could also be fines, community service, or just be put on probation, which would be a conviction of a misdemeanor crime. So it could be either or.
ठीक है, मतलब अलीना खान का ये कहना है, नाज़रीन के लिए बताते चलो कि अलीना खान का ये कहना है कि अगर उस पर पुलिस आ जाती या ये मामला कोर्ट में जाता तो 1 साल का जो है इनको जो है वो प्रिजन हो सकती थी, 1 साल की जेल हो सकती थी. तो इज देयर एनी चांसेस ऑफ हैंडकफ?
Yes, so he would be arrested. So yes, you when you are found to be charged with a crime, जब court process को शुरू करते हैं, आपको in custody लेते हैं वो, and you could be put under handcuffs. They will take you to the booking station, और फिर judge आपके rights read करता है, वो आपको बताता है this is what you are being charged with.
इसमें अलीना कोई ऐसा चांस है कि अगर ये बात की जाती है कि जी पहले उसने abuse किया था, he was abusing the ambassador of Pakistan cricket team, the star of Pakistan cricket team, the guy was abusing him. तो इसमें कोई ऐसा कोई चांसेस था कि बचत का रास्ता था कि इसको ये क्लेम करते, या क्योंकि जो चेयरमैन पीसीबी मोहसिन नकवी साहब हैज सेड कि ही हैज टू बेग पार्डन फ्रॉम जो हारिस रऊफ से उनको माफी मांगनी चाहिए.
Okay, so here's the problem with it. The video doesn't really show that the person who Haris Rauf was marching towards, that he was abusing him. Based on just the video, what we see is Haris Rauf turns around and he's marching towards them, and he almost tries to, he's basically threatening him physically, but for the people that came in between to stop him. So ये कोई कह सकता है, ये कोई argue कर सकता है as a defense that you know, he was being abusive towards me and he provoked me.
But in your opinion, was Haris Rauf defending himself, or he was in aggressive mood? He was marching towards the opponent.
In my legal opinion, he was the aggressor who was marching towards the opponent in that video, who had committed an assault.